This is the Barth 2311 model membrane press. I'm getting ready to put this veneer that I've cut into a circle. It's a walnut figured veneer. And then I'll apply it to the tabletop. The tabletop is currently upside down, and I've taken a Sawzall flexible 18-tooth bimetal blade and cut the legs free from this bottom of the table, and it revealed a 3/4 inch dowel. So I have 3 legs, 3 holes I've drilled in with a 1/2 inch bit, and then I've chiseled that out. Here are the 3 legs of the base, and you'll notice I have a short 3/4 inch tapered edge dowel in there ready to receive the tabletop. So we'll see how this goes. The next step is to apply some adhesive to the back side of this veneer and slap it down on the table top, and then we'll have it. Thanks for watching.